We'll kickstart this edition with some news just coming in. Now, there is a latest controversy, and this has got to do with AAP office, which is, in fact, on the land of the High Court. AAP has told the Supreme Court that they haven't encroached any land meant for judiciary in Delhi. AAP, in fact, filed an affidavit stating that land was allotted to it in 2015. AAP says it is willing to vacate the premises, but requests the court to ensure that it is allotted an alternative space as per its status as a national party. We haven't encroached. However, if you want us to move, we will. Give us an alternate land. Give us an alternate premise. But keep in mind that this has to be as per our status as a national party, says the Aam Aadmi Party. Kanu is joining us with the very latest on that. Kanu, talk to us a little about what encroachment is this. Is this an alleged encroachment? Talk to us a little more about that.
Well, Sneha, this is the case pertaining to the judicial infrastructure in the national capital. Last week, the Supreme Court had taken cognizance of the fact that the Aam Aadmi Party has encroached the alleged land. But today, the Aam Aadmi Party filed an affidavit before the top court and said that the land was allotted to Aam Aadmi Party back in 2015. And suddenly, the LNDO department, on December 12 last year, had decided that the allotment was meant for the judicial infrastructure, meant for the expansion of the Rouse Avenue Court. Aam Aadmi Party clearly telling the Supreme Court that it has no intention to encroach any land meant for the judicial infrastructure, and said that they wanted another accommodation because Aam Aadmi Party is a national party, and saying that the national elections are forthcoming, and that is why they needed an alternative accommodation. But Aam Aadmi Party's affidavit is clearly stating that it has no intention to encroach any kind of land and only seeking an alternative accommodation if the status of the land has now been changed.
Good, thank you, Kanu, for getting us up to speed with all of those details as far as this latest controversy surrounding the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned.